What up? It's your boy Brandon Reacts here, and today we're going to be watching the indoor snowstorm prank by RomanAtwood. This sounds like a pretty fun video. I know a lot of people rave over RomanAtwood videos, and I myself am a subscriber to both channels, of course, especially his vlog channel. So a lot of people, love his pranks. So let's see how this one goes. The indoor snowstorm prank. Let's do this.
This is ridiculous.
You good? Everyone all out. They're doing this for the kids are sleeping, I think. That's so awesome. RomanAtwood is such a good YouTuber. Like, he has amazing vlogs, and with his pranks, man, he always does himself. It's so awesome. That's awesome. Next morning.
You're gonna go see how much it snowed.
Talking to Kane? Yeah.
It snowed so much.
Really?
Yeah. You gotta check this out.
Whoa.
This is awesome. No way, like, oh god.
You think you can play all day in this?
Yeah.
Let's go.
That's so awesome. That's awesome right there.
Oh my gosh.
What's his mom and his dad coming in? That's pretty cool. This makes you so excited. Like, it gives you like energy. Like, it's just such a great video. Yes. Look at that.
That's what we're missing.
Dale. Go. I just want to cheer with them. That's so awesome. Oh, come on. That's cool. That's so cool. Oh,
let's go
right
get
in the
them
camera.
kids.
You can see it's all fogged up now on the bottom of the camera. Just want to dance. Yes. That's awesome. Dude. Yes, that is epic. That was the indoor snow prank from RomanAtwood. That is so awesome, man. It just gives you the energy to see how excited those kids were, and even the parents and stuff. Roman and Brittany and his mom and his dad and his brother and stuff like that. Like, they were so excited. Like, it was just like such a pumped up like feeling. That was amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Brandon Reacts. Awesome indoor snow prank. The link for the original channel and the original video will be down in the description below, along with my vlogging channel right now. We're nearing up to 1,000 subscribers. A lot of exciting activities happen on there every single day, so I really hope you guys go and check that out. But until then, this has been Brandon Reacts, and I'm out.